Oh, got one. Ooh, this is pretty substantial. Oh, I think it's a smallie. Well, hey everyone, Bill at Fishing with Old Dad, and I'm not sure how this morning's going to go, at least at this place. We're going to do some creek hopping, fish from some bridges, and that's what we're going to do back here. Yeah, see over there, there's a bridge. It goes across a really cool creek, and I've had my eye on it for months and months, ever since we came here. So I've decided, what the hey, I'm going to give it a shot. So let's quit yakking, get cracking, and get the fishing. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with some mealy worms here. Yeah, right there. And that's what we're going to use. I got good casting spots. I'm just not sure if there's really anything in here. I'm thinking if there's anything, there might be some sunnies. Somehow this dumps into the Noachucky or comes off the Noachucky. I'm not 100% sure how this creek works. I don't even know the name of it. I know the name of this road, but yeah, great place to put my bait here. Woo-hoo-hoo. And they just painted the bridge, so we got a nice little surface. But there's a hole right here, and there's really no way down to it without going through the jungle, and I ain't about to do that. The bank on the one side is very steep. I'll end up in the drink with probably another broken back. So we're gonna just stay right here, see if we can shoot underneath this tree. Yeah, there we go. If I could get at least something out of here, creek chub say I caught something. Destination in mind for today. Oh, I got one. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. A creek chub. I don't believe it. A little creek chub. I knew I was getting bites down there. Yeah, there we go, guys. Yeah, caught a fish. Ah, we forgot something very important. My hemostats and my rag. I'm out of uniform. Ooh. Oh, got another one. This one's a little bigger. And a different species, I think. Yeah, green sunfish. Wow. Wow, multi-species day. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, there we go, guys. Little greenie. Ain't he pretty? Look at those orange fins. All right. You're safe. Boy, what a cool stream. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Oh, got another one. What do we got this time? Bluegill? Yeah! 3 species. 3 species of bluegill. Woo! I didn't think there was anything in here, actually. Yeah. There we go. Okay, got another one. Oh, this is the biggest one yet. Well, no it ain't. But it's another greenie. Another green sunfish. Yeah, there we go. Ain't this cool? Another green sunfish. I keep getting robbed. Yeah, it's been really hot here. So, yeah, it's cloudy, real breezy. Only going to get to like 82 here today. So I thought, man, I got to get out. It's been since last week, 5 days. I was out last Friday, but got skunked, me and a buddy. But I found some good fishing holes, and that's where we're headed. I'm going to give it about another 10 minutes here, and then we'll move. I am thrilled what I've been able to catch here. Oh, got one. Well, the whole secret to this, guys, is small hooks, of course. And what I've been using, because I like their darting action, are these Leland Lures trout magnet jig heads. They're 1/64 ounce, and yeah, they're a darter jig, so it can really make the bait dart and everything. Here's another bluegill, beautiful little feller, and then some small bait, mealworms, light line, light setup. You know, ultra light, go ultra light. And what I have here is a Kestrel. It's a Cash King Kestrel. But the whole secret is you got to have the right combo. You can't go out with heavy stuff and try to fish like this. You can't go out and mispair. You got to have the right line on the right reel and the right rod. Keep it light. The lighter the line, the farther you can cast with these little setups, and a small, I mean, I'm throwing quite a ways, 40 feet with a 1/16 ounce lure, and the wind's blowing against me. So I'm doing okay. So you can't go too heavy a line. You can't go too big a reel on the rod, on a light rod. And this actually isn't an ultralight. This is just a light setup. But to me, it acts like an ultralight because of the fast, extra fast tip on it. And the way I got it paired up with this reel, and it's just super. Yeah, nice long cast. All right, well, we need to head out to our other spot. I am thrilled that I caught a bunch of fish here. I was really thinking I'd get into some rock bass, but I'm thrilled I caught bluegill out of here. Really thrilled. And I know some of you guys think that's weird, but catching bluegill in the stream is nice. I love catching bluegill. Oh, there we go. Now what do I got? Creek chub? Yeah, I think so. Wouldn't that be great if I pull up a smallie? Yep, creek chub. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right, we're going to call it. Lost my bait anyway. All right, guys, we're going to call it from this spot, but we're going to go somewhere else. So stay tuned. Don't turn away, because we're headed to another creek. But I did really good here. Nothing big, of course, but I caught some creek chub, and I caught green sunfish, and I've caught bluegill. So I am thrilled. I've been going by this spot, going to another fishing hole, and I never saw anything. I've stopped, never looked, but this time I decided to fish it, and it paid off. So let's head out, go to our other places. Well, hey guys, we're at spot number 2. Yeah, and I found a great place to park. So this is awesome. I don't have to worry about getting off the road and all that kind of stuff with my truck. So anyway, we're going to try this. It looks great. Looks great. So why don't we quit yakking and, of course, get cracking and fishing. So that's what we're going to do. All right, guys. Same setup. Mealworms. Light rod, my light Kestrel, Cascade Kestrel. And we're going to give this a shot. I can also access the creek down a trail right here. So we might do that, but I want to check the bridge out. Well, I'm going to drop it right over the edge here. Just the bait, not my rod. Well, nuts. We're going to find someplace else, guys. All right, guys, we're going to hike the little trail here. Hopefully, I think it kind of parallels the creek, so hopefully we can find another spot. Looks like they changed paths here before. This is a very historical place. Won't go into the details. Now this looks fishy. This looks fishy. Yeah. See how we do here, guys. This looks fishy. Uh-huh. If I don't get something out of here, that'll be just tragic. Trout, creek chub, fall fish, rock bass, bluegill, green sun, something. Oh, got one. Oh, what do I got? What do I got? Rock bass. Oh, cool. Come on here, fella. Oh, right. Okay. Sure, all over my pants. All right, biggest fish of the day here, guys. A rock bass. Man, he is squirmy. Let's try that again. Yeah, squirmy. Squirmy. Boy, he's had a rough time in here. There you go, fella. Thanks for being on the shoe. All right, I caught one. I knew there had to be one of those in here. All right, that was cool. At first I thought I had a trout. Oh, got another one. What do I got this time? Another rock bass. Yeah. Another little rock bass. Cool. See you later, alligator. Okay, a few more minutes here, and we're gonna travel downstream. Oh, he was right in that. Oh, got one. Got one. Another rock bass. The other one I think was a creek chub. He was pretty skinny. pretty long and thin. Alright, there we go, guys. Fish number 3 out of here. Okay, let's give it 5 more minutes here, and then we'll go and see if we can find another spot in the creek. Oh man! Whoa! Holy moly, Andy! Boy, that was a nice one. Oh, I never did get to see what it was. I don't know if it was a smallmouth or... Oh! It was too broad for a trout. We're going to try this spot, which I didn't try, coming down. Then we're going to we'll work our way back to the truck and go to that other bridge that's across this stream. There's 2 bridges. Oh, got one. Ooh, this is pretty substantial. Oh, I think it's a smallie. Oh, it is. Woo! Woo! Guys, look, a little smallmouth. Oh, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah. Yes, indeedy, Petey. Ha 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 ha. Oh, yeah. A smallie on mealworms. Yeah, how about that? Cool. All right. In you go, little feller. Thank you for being on the shoe. Oh, got one. Whoa. Oh. What do I got? Oh, monster bluegill. Holy moly, Andy. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at the size of this dude. Whoa. Ain't he pretty? Man alive. One of the biggest gills I've caught for a while. Whoo! There you go, little fella. Thanks for being on the shoe. You're safe. You're safe. Boing! Oh. Man, what a day, what a day, what a day. What a day. Oh, got one. What is it this time? Fall fish. No, creek chub. Creek chub. Yeah, you're going back. You're going back. There you go. See, it said you're going back. Oh, that's pretty deep. Oh, lost that. Okay, guys, we gotta re-rig or grab another pole, and I'm not sure if I should come back to this part of the river or go to the other bridge. Well, guys, man, that was fun here. that was fun here. I am definitely coming back here. So, but we're going to move upstream, I think it is, to another bridge. And yeah, so I'm anxious to see what we can do there. This has been a very big surprise. So I'm happy. So yeah, let's get going and find another spot to fish. Well guys, we're at bridge number 2. And yeah, I think I'm gonna like this here. So hey, we did great back at the other place. Yeah, just astounding. Just thrilled to death what we caught there. So let's give this a try. I think I'm gonna try some worms. Well, I see the bottom there, but there's a deep spot right here. So we're gonna try that. Oh, got one. Oh, looks like a red breast. Yeah. Where's it? A pumpkin seed? No, a red breast. Man, bunch of different species in this little stream. Oh, wow. Yeah, ain't he pretty? Yeah, look at that. Look at the red on that. Oh, there we go. Another bite. Okay, got one. What do I got? Green sunfish. Yeah. Come on. Quit being so squirmy. There you go. Joe, you're in the movies. You're famous. Good nosedive. Oh. I had one. I didn't even know it. What do I got? A good sized green sunfish. Yeah. In you go, little fella. Well, let's see if we can access under the bridge. Walk right down there, if I can do it. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can do it. Ain't much to it. Yeah. I did it. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Well, guys, man, this has been a blast here. Can't believe what I have caught out of this creek in a few different places. All kinds of species, big surprises, smallmouth bass, big bluegill, green sunfish, creek chubs, just all kinds of stuff. I had so much fun here. And the neat thing about this is a very historical stream. A lot of history has passed by. this place and been built around it. Yeah, very interesting. So I appreciate y'all watching. So yeah, think about subscribing. You'll see more of this kind of stuff. And we'll see you next time, guys, out here on the water. So be safe, have fun, go fishing. Oh, man, that was a good bite there. But I missed it.